Hello everyone. In this video, we will practically demonstrate how to perform the stool test for H.Pylori antigen using the strip method. First, open the test strip from its cover. Then, take out the collection stick from the tube. Using the stick, collect a small amount of stool from the patient's sample. Mix carefully. Now do approximately 2-3 drops to designed area of the strip. Carefully label the sample with the correct patient information. Wait for 10-15 minutes for the result to appear. Now you see Stool H.Pylori test is positive.